Hello, this is Scott with Two Quacks and Five Clucks Farm. Today we're going to talk about Flax Farm's flax bedding. They are located in Manitoba, Canada. They started up in 2015. Now this stuff is dust free. It requires 70% less than straw or wood shavings. Now this stuff breaks down quickly and it's pH neutral, so it does not alter the pH in the soil. It adds nitrogen to the soil instead of depleting it like wood shavings or straw. Now, we are not sponsored by Flax Farm, nor did they ask us to shoot this video. I'm shooting this video because this stuff is good for the soil. You don't have to compost it. You can actually just go ahead and spread it. You can look them up on the web at flaxfarm.ca. That's FLAXFARM.ca, and you can find them on Instagram at Flax Farm Bedding. Now, they're a family-owned company. I do believe that they're owned by a father and daughter. I went through about 2.5 bags between 3 coops. Now, I probably laid it down a little bit thick than what it should be, but I want to see if it's going to keep these chickens warm since we're going into the winter. But laying it, sorry about that, but laying it was simple. It's much easier than using pine shavings, straw. Sorry about that. Blackbeard, you're killing me. So yeah, 2.5 bags, did 3 coops. Nesting boxes, we got 3, 6. Killing me. We got a 3, 6, 10, 14, 16 nesting boxes. It's killing me. And our African geese is killing me too. It's just constant noise. You got anything else to say? Killing me. But anyways, check them out. You can see if you can find a dealer near you. Like I said, they're a small company. Here where I'm located at in Virginia, we're gonna have a major straw shortage. It's gonna be worse than last year. So my friends here in Virginia, hit me up. I can get you in contact with the dealer that I know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share.